Hello everybody. Hello everybody. How's the game, bro? Number 5. Write a program to read the number from the user and display it in reverse order. We will take or read number from the user through the console screen, and we will print it in opposite way or in reverse order. All right. For example, if the user insert 1, 2, 3, 4. The output should be 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna solve this problem, problem number 5 from course number 4. Let's go to Visual Studio. Alright, this is our program of problem number 5. Write a program to read the number from the user and display it in reverse order. Alright. As we said on the slides a minute ago, we will take a number or read number from the user through the console screen. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to print it in opposite way or in reverse way, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how are we gonna solve this problem, or how we're gonna build this program? First thing we have here in the main function, display digits. Okay, we have here procedure. It's called display digits, and inside it get positive number. Display the question for the user. Please insert a number, and after that take the value, store it inside value. You already know this generic function. I just open it to remind you how it's look like. This is the function. Okay, same. We didn't change anything from the previous problems. And after that, you have this procedure. It's just two functions, or one function and one procedure. It's a small program. After that, you have this procedure, display digit. Take the value from the previous function, get positive number. Let's open it. We have a /n here just for the space, and do while loop. Do see out the value mod 10. We'll take the value. Let's say that the user insert 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10. It will give us 4. Print it, because here we say see out the value mod 10. 1, 2, 3 value stored inside 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10 is give me 4, so print 10. And after that, a double quotation just for the space. Okay. And the next line of code, second line of code, value equal value divided 10. The previous line of code, mod 10. When we say 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10, the compiler print for me number 4, because 1234 mod 10 is give me 4. For that, compiler will print for us 4. But when we said value divided 10, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided 10, which is 1234 divided 10, it will give me 123. The compiler will erase for me the function. It's actually 123.4, but because it's integer data type, the value, it's belongs to integer data type, so the compiler will give me integer number, which is 1234 divided 10. It will give me 123. 1, 2, 3, we'll store it inside this value. And again, we get back to the while statement. We'll check 1, 2, 3 greater than 0. Yes, 123 is greater than 0. So the compiler will get back in do while loop. We'll execute the first line of code inside the do while loop, which is see out value mod 10 for second time. But this time, value stored inside it 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 mod 10, it will give me 3. Perfect. So print it. And after that, double quotation just for space. And second line of code, value equal value divided 10. But this time value already stored inside it from the previous process, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 divided 10, it will give me 1, 2. So 123 divided 10, it will give me 12. 12 is stored inside value, and again, we'll come check to the while statement. Value greater than 0, 12, because value already stored inside 12 from this line of code, second line of code when you did the process. So value greater than 0, yes, 12 greater than 0. Get back again for the third time. See this line of code. See out value mod 10. Value mod 10, what it will give me? Value already stored inside the 12, 1, 2. 1, 2 or 12 mod 10, it will give me 2. 12 mod 10, it will give me 2. So the compiler will print for me 2. Now we already print 4, 3, 2. We just left with the last number, and we get back again to the second line of code. Value divided 10, which is value stored inside number 12. 12 divided 10, it will give me 1. So 1 is stored inside value, while value, which is 1 greater than 0, but I will get back for the last time. Value mod 10, which is 1 mod 10, it will give me 1. Print it, please, because before it's see out here, see out command, don't forget, recognize it, please. And double quotation for space. And again, get back value divided 10, which is 1 divided 10, give me 0. Value greater than 0, no. Equal to 0, no. So the compiler will exit the do while loop. And here in the main function, we just do state functions. We call the procedure name, display digits, and after that, we put in its parameter, get positive number. So that's how we solve this problem, problem number 5. Of course, number 4, write a program to read the number from the user and display it in reverse order. That was the lesson of today. See you next problem, next lesson.